What happens when you're on your washer bottle drying your E36, you ignore the onboard computer warning and your pipes get blocked, and then you try and force the issue by repeatedly using the pump. I'll tell you what, you end up needing one of these, which is a fucking new washer pump. I'm going to have to swap this out now and change it, but not before I've taken all the underbody trays off and cleaned out all the lines. Lesson learnt. I've got to take all this cover off now, get the jets out, get the lines out, blow it all through there and clean it all out, put a new pump on, and then hopefully we'll have washer jets again. Right, caveat number one, I'm not removing the latches, so I'm going to take everything else out bar them, so I can get in behind here, and I'm just going to peel the sound deadening up from the bonnet so I can get in behind it. I'm not messing about with bonnet alignment and all that crap. I've just pulled the pipe off. I'm just going to blow through it to make sure this is clear. Which they both are, so it means my jets are clogged. Right, so there's one of them out. There is a tiny notch just where the screwdriver is, so the jet has to be pushed towards the front of the car, and then this clip at the back has to be depressed just enough that it allows the jet to come out. That's the clip that's going to get you, so you want to push back on the jet, push the clip in and it will just pop out. So what I'm going to do now is get my airline and blow straight down the two jets, try and get it to come out the far end. At the moment it's almost completely blocked, as you can see. So the jets have been blown out. It seems like they've got a one-way valve inside them, if I'm honest. And mine are heated jets, so I've taken all the heated body apart, just a little plastic clip, pull the back end out, make sure you don't lose the spring in the two metal connections, and I can get air through them no problem at all now. So next port of call is to get this washer bottle out. This is surprisingly easy on an E36. Big plastic nut here. If you've got an aftermarket alarm, they put the sensor right in the bloody wrong place there, but we'll live with that. Once he comes off, the whole bottle will literally just lift out. So what you want to do, disconnect the electrical connections, one there and one on the pump. If it's full, be prepared for it to piss out everywhere. If it's not full, like mine is about half full, you can probably get away with tipping it up and working on it like this. Little hose pipe comes off from the side and the pump just pulls out like so. And it's got a very fancy little clip on here to hold the pipe on. I've left mine loose after investigating the other day, but basically there's a hooked part and then there's a straight part. They need to essentially be crimped back together when I put everything back together now. So pull the old pipe off. Okay, so a new pump, direct replacement melee pump. We'll try and crimp this line on off the car. I don't think these are meant to be used twice, these little clips. So I'm doubtful if I'll actually be able to get it to re-engage, but let's try. Sweet, it's gone. Okay, let's give that a little squeeze down. Put the pump back in the hole, tidy up the lines. There's a little slot on the bottom here, it just slots down into the groove. Push the bottle back down, put your little clipper on. That should just push in this time. And we're leaking. Fucking great. Yeah, it's coming from that shitty crimp. Okay. See if I can squeeze him tighter. Maybe these are single use, eh? Yeah, I don't like that. That's just going to leak on me, I think. Yeah, if you can pull it off the pipe like that, that's not good enough. So I think I'll try a bit of locking wire on that. Okay, a little bit of locking wire. Tuck that in. Okay, looking good, no leaks this time. Put our wires back. Right, genuine first try. See the window's still wet, still dry, sorry. Way, here we go. Bloody hell, the power flat actually. Should have done that ages ago, man. Sweet. So just so we can get full effect. Ah, you beauty. So there you are, quick fix. Wash your bottle, wash your jets, and wash your pump. Hope it helps. Enjoy the sunshine. It's enough of me for now. I'll stop waffling. Much love. Paymo out.